Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we have learned how to create our WebRTC service, and now it's time to go back to our main activity and use this service. Inside my main activity, I'll inject WebRTC service repository and I'll create a capture permission request code and set it to 1. To start capturing your screen in Android, you always anytime you need to get permission whenever your app runs from your user, and then you can proceed. To do that, let's go inside my init function. First, let's use my views and inside WebRTC service and set surface view to views.surfaceView and set the WebRTC listener to this. This implements all the members. So let's create the function start screen capture and then create a media projection manager using application get system service with the media projection service and cast it as media projection manager, and then start activity for results and pass the media projection manager and create a screen capture intent and then give the code to it. So we will check for results on activity. We check if request code is not equal to our capture permission, so it's not ours, we want to return. But if it does, I want to set my WebRTC intent to the data, and then using WebRTC service repository to request connection, and the target is going to be views.target edit text to string. But before that, we do have to initialize our service using start intent. So WebRTC start intent, and the username is going to be the username that we got from our intent. It's going to be not now, definitely. So we want to click a click listener to our request button and use the start screen capture to get start screen capture permission, and if it does, then we start connecting to the other peer. Okay, so let's move back to the listener. First, if we receive a connection request, we want to run on UI thread, use apply notification title is equal to target is requesting for connection, and notification layout is visible is to true, and notification accept button, attach a click listener to it using WebRTC service repository to accept the call, and notification layout will become invisible. Also for decline button, I'll attach a listener to it, just notification layout is visible to false. And in case of connection connected, I'll run on UI thread again, use apply block, request layout is visible to false, disconnect button is visible to true, and disconnect button attach a listener to restart UI, which I'll create in a second. And also we want to use WebRTC service repository to end call intent, and when we receive on call and received, we want to run on UI thread to restart UI again. And if we receive a stream, we also want to run it on UI thread. We use that surface view is visible true, and using stream dot video tracks get the first element, we add sync to views dot surface view, and restart UI function is going to be use that apply disconnect button is visible to false, request layout is visible to false, to truth, sorry. Notification layout is visible false, and surface view is visible. Okay, we are ready to go. Let's run our signaling server and our emulators and check our application. So I ran our app inside our emulators, but looks like I forgot to set listeners inside our main repository. When we receive a start streaming command, we do have to use our listener to notify our service that hey, there is a new signal received. So on request received and message or model dot username on end call, we also want to use listener on end call received. I also forgot to add our video track to our local stream, so I use local stream and add my local video track to it. So let's run our emulators back again and check. So let's log in with Mark and this one with John, and let's call Mark, and it requires our permission. We say start now. It says hey, John is requesting for connection. If we press accept, you can see the connection is established, the stream is being shared, and if we close our application, you can see everything works fine. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for being here, and also do not forget to subscribe and comment and like my videos to cheer me up. In case you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, or you need consultant, you can ask me, or even if you want to implement WebRTC inside your project, I'm happy to hear your offer. And till the next tutorial, see you everyone.